Hi, I'm Michael. I'm one of the installers at Arjay's Window Fashions. I'm here at a home in Westlake, California where we just installed 4 motorized exterior shades. The customer wanted to protect against 3 main issues: sun, wind, and privacy. When lowering these shades, it protects this outside furniture against UV light and also makes it pleasurable for the customers to come outside. As you can see, it's a really windy day outside today. But when the shades are down, it doesn't let any of that harsh wind in, and it makes the space more enjoyable and peaceful. When the homeowner worked with one of our Arjay's designers, they wanted to pick a fabric that complemented the space's look and feel, but also had strong light filtering properties to protect themselves and their furniture. Now from the outside, you can see that the fabric they chose also addresses their privacy concern. When the shades are down, you cannot see into their patio space. If you have any questions about these shades or any other products that we offer, please give us a call, stop by our showroom, or visit us online. Again, I am Michael with Arjay's Window Fashions.